In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning 3D effects using the simultaneous render with stereoscopy method. This is a fantastic technique for those looking to produce multiple layered images from a single rendering, especially if you're delving into the dynamic world of three-dimensional visuals. To start, you'll need to establish your cameras within the scene. It's important at this stage to position them accurately to get the best effects later on. Once your cameras are in position, give them clear and distinctive names for easy identification. A helpful trick is to add a suffix to their names in the outliner. For example, consider using @L for the left camera and R for the right one. This naming convention not only keeps things organized, but also prevents any confusion later. Feel free to customize the names as per your project needs. What matters is having a systematic approach that ensures clarity. Next, we'll move on to enabling stereoscopy in Blender. For this, head over to the Output properties found in the Properties panel. This section is crucial as it holds the key to unlocking the stereoscopic capabilities you desire. Within this panel, locate the stereoscopy section and be sure to turn it on. Here, you'll want to select Multi-View. This setting is vital as it allows you to work with multiple viewpoints, an essential component for achieving those rich, layered 3D effects. If you'd like to add additional views, you can do so by simply clicking the plus sign. This flexibility is perfect for scenarios where a more complex layered image is desired. With everything set up, it's time to render your work. To do this, you can press F12, or for a complete render view, use Ctrl plus F12. This command will initiate the rendering process where each camera you've set up will render separately as distinct layers. Once the rendering is complete, Blender will typically combine these layers into a final cohesive image. However, if you're keen to see each individual layer separately, you can do so by disabling the Show Stereo option in the render window. This step is quite useful for those wanting to fine-tune individual layers or simply to understand how each contributes to the final image. And with that, you've successfully created a stereoscopic effect using simultaneous rendering in Blender. Remember, while the process may seem complex at first, a bit of practice will undoubtedly make it second nature. This method opens up new dimensions in your projects, adding depth and intrigue to your images that are sure to captivate any audience. So go ahead, experiment with your scenes, and enjoy the art of bringing your visions to life with depth and clarity. Happy creating!